Now, the New Delhi government may have decided to waive off the environmental clearances for small and medium enterprises in a bid to meet their electoral promises. But a new study by a green NGO shows that perhaps their focus needs to be on looking at alternative sources of providing power to the city, because the Badarpur thermal power plant is the most inefficient in the country and adding harmful emissions to the air, which the world's most polluted city certainly cannot afford. We leave you with this report by Siddharth Pandey.
Delhi's Badarpur thermal power plant providing much needed electricity to the capital, but with it a lethal dose of toxic fumes in Delhi. An audit by the Delhi-based Centre for Science and Environment has sounded alarm bells. While it has rated Badarpur as amongst the worst in the country, the condition of India's other coal-based power plants is not much better. According to the report, Indian coal power plants are among the most inefficient in the world, on an average operating at 60 to 70% of their capacity. Carbon dioxide emissions from India's coal-based power plants are also 14% higher than similar plants in China. While thermal power plants consume half of India's domestic water, they are hugely inefficient, consuming almost 62% more than plants in China. 76% of the plants were also unable to meet the Environment Ministry's target of utilizing waste fly ash generated.
We need efficiency of our sector to improve, because if you improve efficiency, you improve environmental performance as well.
Findings which have come from this study require a lot of attention, both on the part of the Ministry of Power and also on the part of the Ministry of Environment. If you have a viable and transparent bidding framework, then you will be able to discover a price, then you will be able to put in place a regime where the power producer has no option but to be most efficient in utilizing all the resources that he does.
Last year, the World Health Organization had rated Delhi with the worst air quality in the world. Now, a new study by researchers at Chicago University, using data from NASA satellites, has found high levels of pollution in large parts of rural India as well.
देश में करीबन 660 मिलियन हमारा एस्टिमेट है, 660 मिलियन लोग ऐसी जगहों में रह रहे हैं जहाँ पे फाइन पार्टिकुलेट पोल्यूशन, प्रदूषण स्टैंडर्ड से ऊपर है, और इसका इफेक्ट हम ये एस्टिमेट करते हैं कि करीबन 3 साल लोगों की ज़िंदगी की लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी 3 साल से घटने वाली है.
India's coal power plants are amongst the most notorious for pollution levels as well as being highly inefficient. They also add to a tremendous amount of pollution, especially in rural India. Reforming the power plants, upgrading them and improving efficiency will go a long way in trying to clean up India's air. With camera person Khurshid, in New Delhi, Siddharth Pandey for NDTV.